Good morning, fellow riders. It's a pleasant Sunday morning, and we're back with our 10R. So, today I thought I'll touch a topic which has been a regular question for a superbike owner. कि कितना देती है? What's the mileage? And I've seen a lot of superbike owners who brag about it, 7, 8, 10, 12. Thought I'll bust a few myths today. So let's check out how much is my bike giving right now. So as you can see, with a mix of highway and city riding, it's giving somewhere around 18 for me. And that is practically after having an backup awake installed. Otherwise, with a stock exhaust, this used to be above 19, 19.5. Easy. The trick is pretty simple. Get a good engine oil. Keep your chains lubed. Tire pressure right. Air filter clean. And use a 95, 99 octane petrol. That should help you just right. So yeah, be informed.